Health Minister Dr. Joe Phaahla is tightening the screws on the tobacco industry. His department will be tabling the Tobacco Products Control Bill to Parliament, which seeks to ban smoking indoors.
The process started almost 4 years ago. We were trying to amend an act of 1993, but now what happened is that after public comments, it so happened that over 50% of that act was amended. Then it becomes a new bill. So we're sitting with the proposed bill that has been submitted to Parliament by our Minister of Health.
The bill proposes a completely smoke-free indoor policy, a limited number of outdoor areas, a ban on the sale of vending machines with stern warnings on cigarette packaging. It aims to reduce tobacco-related illnesses, disability and deaths.
What happens when someone who is supposed to be buying food for the household is instead spending the money on nicotine or tobacco products? So I think that it's very important for us to think very deeply about the theme for the World No Tobacco Day this year, because it impacts us very uniquely.
Why did you start using e-cigarette? And about 27% of the young adults had indicated they started because they wanted to quit smoking. Around 35% said they started because they saw an advert and they were curious to try.
And it's the young people who are the most vulnerable to the negative impacts of tobacco.
They are young professionals, and I'm glad there's someone from DOH, and especially also Department of Basic Education. I think they should also be part of this journey. Young professionals who enter those facilities, schools and clinics, smoking those e-cigarettes. So it looks very cool, hence no one can believe it. If someone so educated, who has knowledge, who has much background, can be smoking them, who are we to tell them not to smoke?
Policy developers in South Africa are too professional and considerate to a point where they consider the business side of the industry, at which I think the industry should appreciate them. If it was according to me, I would make sure that tobacco is illegal, because it deprives people their life and health environment.
Local tobacco manufacturers, however, have hit back. They say tighter regulations could also see the legitimate tobacco industry go up in flames. The tobacco industry has also warned that the overregulation of tobacco products will negatively impact the economy and lead to job losses. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News.